Hi guys, Richard from Prompt Parts. We're on the case again of the Ramco Dominator owned by the Rose family. So we're just about to begin the appraisal so we can let them know what it needs to fix it up properly and get it out on the water safely.
Hey, Leon speaking.
Morning Leon, Richard from Prompt Parts. How are you today?
Well, not too bad, mate. Yourself? How'd you go with that boat?
Living the dream for a Monday. Hey, I got into that appraisal on your boat this morning and certainly found a few things. You got a bit of time so I can run through the list with you?
Yeah, go for it, mate.
Okay, so first up is one you knew about was the steering was seized, so that's a known, a given. Next one is when I checked the gearbox, it's got a whole lot of water inside the oil. And then I ran up the engine and there's a pretty bad knock inside it, mechanical knock, which is concerning to me. And then the final bit also I pointed out to is the electrical system is pretty bad.
Yeah,
Yeah. It's, when I said you bought a pig with lipstick, I've wiped a bit of that lipstick off and it's a bit worse underneath it all.
Great news.
Great news, yeah. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news.
So what do you reckon?
I guess with the gearbox and the power headers, we remove the gearbox, we'll strip it down, see where that water's coming from, see how much damage is inside it. And same thing with the motor or the power head. We'll remove it off the leg, strip it down, see what's going on with it, and I'll get back to you. I'll get you a price for the steering and the electrical system to resolve, and same with the gearbox and power head once I know what's wrong with it. How's that sound?
All right, mate. No, well, I know it's, I trust it in your hands, mate. So we knew it was going to be a project. Let's go ahead and do it.
Awesome, mate. Well, I'll talk to you very soon as soon as I know what you're in for.
Okay, thanks, Richard. Appreciate it, mate. See ya. Bye.
Okay, so I've spoken to Leon, told him all the things we found wrong. The first one we're going to address is the gearbox, which has water in it. So follow us in the next episode to see how we address that.